Creative Eye completes 5 years since foundation. And I think these 5 years have been very, very fruitful. What I like most about Creative Eye and the efforts of the executive committee of Creative Eye is that it has provided a platform for the young to discover themselves, to discover their talents. Okay, we are, like it's always told to us, all of us are gifted. Very often we go about in life without an opportunity to discover that talent within us. And I think Creative Eye is providing a platform for the young to discover their talent, their hidden talent. Yes, I am aware that Creative Eye, the main segment is fashion. Now, fashion includes creativity, because in fashion you have designing, of which creativity is the major part. You have not just designing, you have modeling, which is also a form of art. You have, what should I say, makeup, putting makeup, or I don't know exactly what's the term, that's also an art. And then the photographers. All of you are getting opportunities, and that is what is most important and most vital about Creative Eye.
Okay, we are making platform for the male models, and our latest, our achievements during the years has been one of the greatest debut we got is after printing a desk calendar. It's anybody prints a copy on the online, it's very easy, but when you print a hard copy, you know that really how much of lakhs it costs to print a desk calendar. We printed a desk calendar. This was one of the biggest achievements. We have been tied up for the Max Festival. We got a direct contract recently. Some of the models have walked. They are here. Some of the models have walked. These are some of the greatest achievements we have so far done. We are trying to create a platform for the male models and the female models in Goa, and we want to promote as a top fashion industry, the top fashion destination in Goa. And we need your support, and we want to entertain our Goan models to unite with us and be committed with us so that we take this to the next level. And yes, we write other common articles also. We have featured film personalities in Goa like Vijay Sardesai, Regina Lorenzo. We write articles pertaining to the state of Goa, common articles. But fashion industry has become our main segment of Creative Eye as of now.